Hey boo, you wanna come to New York for holidays?
If you're walking the streets for 10 minutes in any given moment of the day or night and you can't hear a siren, then you're not in New York City. And New York sound is like a complex modern living symphony. They asked, how is New York? And I always answered that you have to see with your own eyes and feel it. You'll never understand how New York feels from the stories. You have to walk these streets, you have to cross the bridges, and you have to meet the people that live in New York City. They say once you get to New York, you realize how small you are in this world. I would say that when you get to New York, you can finally say you're so much bigger, just because you're here. So the New York mirage is even better than you can see in the movies. You're walking the streets of the greatest city in the world. At least that's how I feel. She's dancing.
I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack. You can pick our soundtrack.
But as soon as you realize you're big, you also realize that, man, you have to move. You have to be fast to survive this city. It's like a jungle. It constantly grows and it surprises you every day. And once you learn that it has so many amazing things to offer, you can breathe and enjoy all the good things that can happen here.
Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
Every corner, every building, every park, every bridge and every sunset means so much when you're here.
And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We're rolling in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack back here, track is in. Pack back here, in. Track here, backpack here, in back coast and hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
For me, it's also the place where Dana is, one of the closest souls to me on Earth. And that makes New York even better. You can feel decades of history. You can feel the evolution. You embrace the greatness. And you can feel the souls that were mesmerized in so many decades by New York's beauty. And not just that. Art, graffiti, fashion, views, rooftops, museums, boardwalks, piers, subway musicians. It's like a human swarm where all the best things come together. When you walk these streets, you can feel everybody's dreams and aspirations. You can feel the struggle, you can feel the love and also the pain, the daily buzz, the hope or the joy, and you can smell the future, at least the one that everybody's trying to create.
Oh, you got it freaking out. Congratulations.
This is the place with a wellspring of inspiration, with action, romance, and fascinating strangers lurking around every corner. I hunted the sunsets and I enjoyed every street. And I took great photos, which, by the way, you can see on my Instagram account. Don't forget to follow me there and to subscribe to this channel. Maybe you smash that like button, or you can leave a comment down below if you like my videos. So, once you live or you spend time in New York City, you change. Your soul starts a new chapter, and your mind has so many things to wait and so many places to love. It can be overwhelming. But at the end of the day, you can surely smile, embracing the idea of a new life and to listen again to that symphony, the New York sound.